From the dawn of social, we've been trying to answer the question, what's in it for me? It's important as a business using social media to understand what you're getting out of it. But there's so many things you can measure on that the challenge is to find the right things. This is what we are solving with the new ConfoMeasure. You'll be able to set up your own unique dashboard telling you what you as a business is getting out of social media. At the same time, we will be able to tell you how social media is contributing to your overall digital marketing. You will be able to understand how you can actually learn from your failures, from your successes, so you can understand how to do even better social media marketing going forward. But that's not all. A lot of people talk about machine learning. It sounds futuristic, but for us it's actually the present. The new ConfoMeasure is prepared for this. When you use ConfoMeasure, it will get smarter, and we will be able to tell you, for example, at what time a day should you post in order to maximize your engagement or maximize your conversion rates on your website. So this is what the new ConfoMeasure is all about, telling you how to do even better social media marketing.